Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can copy over select components into one of your courses. These components, it could be maybe a certain number of quiz or quizzes, discussions, content items, whatever it is you need to copy only certain things from an entire course versus having to copy everything from a course. The first thing you want to make sure that you're doing is starting in the course that needs the quizzes or the discussion or the content, and only certain ones. So I am looking at my ABC 123 test course, and I need to go to my other courses to pull in a quiz or two that I'll be using in this course. To do that, I'm going to start under Course Tools, Course Admin, Import, Export, Copy Components. And since I'm going to copy components from another org unit, now remember org unit is nothing more than a course. I'm going to search for the offering. I need to go find the course that has my quizzes or my discussions or whatever it is I need. So I'm going to go into my Nursing 123 course. I'm going to try to find that. Once I find, now you'll notice I've got a couple different ones that have this 123 in it. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select this course here, and I'm going to click Add Selected. Now you'll notice once I did that, it shows me this is the course that I'm going to be copying components from. If you scroll down or look down here at the bottom, you're not going to copy all components this time. You're only going to copy select components. And I've used this before, so that's why I'm getting this. So if you ever are copying different components from other areas, and it's just a kind of a way to let you know that you've done this before. But if you have never done this before, then you won't get this message. In this case, I'm going to say yes. I'm going to copy from other places again. Now here's where you have to be sure that you're watching what you're doing. If you look over here, obviously you don't want to select all components because that will select everything in the course. So depending on what it is you want to copy, you'll go through and scroll down to the different areas or the different components that you can copy. Now, for example, let's say that I want to copy something out of some quizzes, maybe more than one. I'm not going to copy all of them. I just want a few of them. And I want to make sure that if there is any included or any associated files with that quiz, I want to make sure that comes as well. Let's say I need to get some rubrics from another course. I'm going to make sure that that's selected. And again, there's only certain rubrics that I want to get. What about announcements or groups or assignments or discussions? You have that option as well. All right. So now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to take these two examples and I'm going to continue down at the bottom. Once I get here, what you're going to notice is it will take me by the component, and I'll select the components within each of those areas I selected. So the first thing it's going to ask me is, what rubrics is it that I want to copy? Okay? If this is not if this is not expanded, if you find something in here that needs to be expanded, make sure that it's expanded. In this case, it's already expanded. So I'm going to use an assignment rubric, and I'm going to use a discussion rubric that I want to copy over, and I'm going to click Continue. Now here I must have a lot of quizzes, so I need to expand this area here using my little plus sign, and I've got a whole bunch of quizzes. So I need to go through and decide which of these within that quizzes tool that I need. I'm going to do my couple exams, maybe a final and a midterm, and all kinds of different options I have to choose from. And I'm going to again click Continue. So this is my confirmation now that I've selected 4 of 30 quizzes, and I've selected 2 of 4 rubrics from the course. So now I'm going to click Finish. When I do that, you'll notice here's like that little barbershop bar that I always call it, or a barbershop pole, that the copying is in progress. Now you'll notice there's no barbershop pole there anymore. This time I have a green check mark. So I know that those items, those components that I chose came over. So now I'm going to view the content. So now I'm going to go to my course tools, and I'm going to go to, this time I want to go to my quizzes and see if the quizzes came over. Here you go. These are the quizzes I selected. These were quizzes that I selected before, but I do show that those quizzes that I had selected came over. Now I want to go in and see if the rubrics are there. So this time, to find my rubrics, I need to go to my course tools, my course admin, and I'll look for the rubrics. Here are the 2 rubrics that I also added to my course. So that is how you can go in and you can select only certain components to copy in from another course. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks, everyone.